Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle now about the quarter 3, week 2 of science 8, the types of volcanoes. For the first day, mountain and volcano, the comparison. Objectives: define a volcano and a mountain based on their structure, formation, and activity. Differentiate volcanoes and mountains and compare and analyze the similarities and differences between volcanoes and mountains. For activity, write in drawer. Okay, a natural elevation of Earth's surface. What is your answer? Okay, mountain. An opening in the Earth's crust where magma escapes. Volcano. A molten rock beneath the Earth's surface. Okay, that is magma. Opening at the top of a volcano. Crater. Volcano currently erupting. Active volcano. Volcano that may erupt again. Dormant volcano. Volcano that will never erupt again. Inactive volcano. Rock formed from cold lava. Igneous rock. Process that forms mountains through plate movement. Uplift. Okay, perfect cone-shaped volcano in the Philippines. Okay, have you ever seen a mountain or a volcano in real life or on TV? How did it look? What made you think it was volcano or a mountain? Paano natin masasabi na yun ay volcano or mountain? Ano pagkakaiba ba ng dalawang yan? So, volcano versus mountain. Ayan, tingnan natin. Ano bang pagkakaiba ng bulkan sa bundok? So, sa definition, when you say volcano, an opening in Earth's crust where magma gases and ash escape. Mountain naman is a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface formed by tectonic movement. Okay, formation. Paano ba yan nabubuo? Formed by volcanic eruption or accumulation of lava and ash. And mountain formed by folding, faulting, or uplifting of Earth's crust. Appearance: volcano has a crater or vent, may emit smoke, lava, or ash. While mountain usually solid, no crater, and has peaks or ridges. In terms of activity, volcano can be active, dormant, or extinct. And mountain does not erupt, hindi yan kailanman sasabog. Examples ng volcano: Mount Mayon, Mount Fuji. And mountain is the Mount Apo and Mount Everest. Okay, volcanoes are special kinds of mountains, but not all mountains are volcanoes. The main difference is that volcanoes can erupt because they have magma chambers beneath them. So, for assessment, let us answer these questions. What is the main difference between a volcano and a mountain? Okay, anong sagot dyan? Okay, the answer is volcanoes can erupt, mountains cannot. Which of the following is not a volcano? Okay, that is Mount Apo. A mountain is formed mainly by tectonic plate movement, or specifically po nabubuo yan kapag nagbangga ng continental and continental crust. The hole at the top of a volcano is called crater, which can be both a volcano and a mountain. Mount Taal. Volcanoes release molten rock called magma. Mountains are formed mostly at blank tectonic boundaries or plate boundaries. What do both volcanoes and mountains have in common? Both are elevated landforms. Which term describes a volcano that may erupt again? Dormant. A famous volcano in the Philippines with a perfect cone shape is Mount Mayon.